how to turn this into this and then present it in a beautiful PowerPoint using just 4 simple prompts with Claude for Excel, which you must install the following way. Don't skip this part because I will break down the important details of the installation process. In this article, it shows you how to install Claude for Excel. If you are an individual, just click here. You have the page Claude by Anthropic for Excel, and you just have to click Get It Now. Once it's installed, then just open Excel, and if you don't see any Claude icon, you can just go again to Add-ins, and you can search for Claude. Click to download it or to open it. Claude is installed. If you have a Pro, a Max, a Team, or Enterprise account, you can sign in and use Claude in Excel. If you are working for a company and you don't manage the Excel licenses yourself, make sure that your admin allowed you to have the right to install Claude. So make sure to show this video to your admin so they can follow along. In finance, you need to know what is happening in your file and to have an audit log. Nobody is showing you that, but you have the 3 dots at the top and you have the settings. You need first to activate session login. What it will do, it will create a tab that shows all of the edits you did with Claude. Second important button to activate, let Claude work across files. Activating this option both in Excel and PowerPoint is really important. Like this, when you have one file in Excel and you want to make a presentation, you just have to prompt inside PowerPoint that you want to make a presentation based on this Excel file, and Claude in PowerPoint will know about this Excel file. After installing Claude for Excel, let's test it on a task that will take you hours to complete manually: data cleaning. We will be working on this revenue file, which has all of the transactions splitted in different months. And if you want to analyze this file, first you have to consolidate all of the tabs into one. We're going to ask Claude to do it for us. Consolidate all the tabs into one, and then this is a question that everybody is asking me, how to verify that the consolidation is correct. We're going to ask to create an audit tab where we are verifying that the consolidated tab is the same than all of the individual tabs together. In bracket, I explain the goal to Claude. Like this, it knows why I am doing this audit tab on top of just consolidating the data. This is also a trick that nobody tells you is, if you want to audit what AI is doing, just let AI first show you the audit work. It will be much faster to review, and like this, for you, you also show to everybody that the consolidated tabs is the same than the sum of all of these individual tabs. So now let's launch it. Because we activated the log option in the settings, we have the log of what happened. Then we have the consolidated tab, now with all of the month, and we have the verification tab where we see that everything passed. So all of the verification. And if you had other verification that you had in mind, well, just prompt to Claude and it will do it for you. Now, on everybody who is always challenging if AI doesn't hallucinate and how to verify the work, in a few minutes, you have the work done, but also the work verified. Imagine how much time you will save when you include that in your workflow. Now, we need to present this data to the board. We have to analyze, create graphs, and create KPIs. It used to take hours to do that. Now let's see if Claude can do it in a few minutes. In the same discussion, we will write the following prompt. Perform a cohort analysis by month and by product, and then we are going to ask specific analysis. So I'm going to write, I also want to calculate the MRR, the churn, and the 80-20 analysis, because I want to know what are the 20% of the customers making 80% of the revenue. And really important, at the end, I ask to add graphs, formulas, or pivot tables. So like this, I can make sure that the analysis is auditable and is calculated. Let's launch it. While Claude is preparing the analysis, I want to invite you for my free masterclass this Tuesday on how to become an AI CFO. To join, just check the link in the description. So now that Claude is finished, you are the manager. You need to review the work. For this, you have 2 solutions. The first one, as a human, this is probably what you will do. You will go over the file and you will start checking the formulas to see if they are consistent. You will just cross-check the data. With graph, you can see straight away if there is a mistake. One mistake that AI is always doing so far is always taking in account also the total. It doesn't make sense to have a stacked chart showing both the product plus the total. So either you show the total or you show each product stacked on each other, but you don't show the 3 together. So that's something that I will ask Claude to change, or if I want, I can still change it manually like this. And then I don't want to have to review everything manually, and it will probably take me as long as doing it myself. And I know a lot of people, they do not know about this second option. The second option is actually to ask Claude to audit its work and to show you why everything here is correct, or maybe to identify this problem that we have noticed and maybe some other problems that you don't know about. This is the prompt I'm going to write. Now audit all of your work and check if the formulas are correct and if the graphs make sense, because we have seen that there is an issue. And I explained that, for example, totals should not be taken in account in stacked charts. I send this instruction to Claude. In this prompt, I didn't really specify, but maybe you don't want to change anything. You only want to see if there is a problem first before letting Claude changing it. So what I usually do, I just say, do not change anything, just show me the problems. So let's look what Claude found out as issues. One trick as well, you can always expand. As we noticed, there are problems with the charts. Then there was also a problem with the name of the columns, and also the choice for the Pareto chart was not the right one, so it says that we should use a scatter plot. And here it also verified the formulas and didn't find any problem. And again, if you have something in mind, just ask Claude specifically what type of audit you want to have. So now we have our two graphs fixed. Maybe they are not well placed on the tab, but that's something you can either change manually or ask Claude to do it. I will first advise to do it manually, because when I asked this, Claude is rechanging everything, so just move it manually for now. Here we can see the cohort analysis, which has the correct formulas. I just also checked it myself, and I have it for MRR. I also have it per product, because this is the premium product, and this is the standard product. And it's also color coded. And as we can see, the cohort from June 2025 is the best cohort so far for this business. I have my analysis done, but I still need to present this information to the board. And for this, I cannot just send them the Excel file. We're going to see if Claude can help us create a PowerPoint presentation based on this. Here, really important, in settings, we're going to activate the option Let Claude work across files. Like this, PowerPoint will be able to see what is inside your Excel file. This is what I'm going to prompt. I have my revenue analysis open in the file, and here this is where you name the file, SaaS B2B monthly revenue. And I'm going to ask to create the board presentation. I will say that I want an executive summary, and also that I want to focus for each analysis. I also explain that I want graphs, but also storytelling techniques that we use in this presentation. And then if you don't have your branding guidelines yet installed in Claude, for this, check my other video on Claude PowerPoint where I explain all of this. You can mention that you want to use your colors, which are neon green and dark blue. Let's launch Claude on this task. That's it. Claude is finished with our presentation, and I have to say, I really like the executive summary because it presents the most important information. It also follows our dark blue and neon green because I asked for storytelling techniques. It also explains the story of the figures. I don't really know what is here, the bottom line here, so that's something I need to verify. And again, we can use our audit technique like we did before. And I also don't really like that we have here 3 times almost the same graph. So that's something that maybe I will have changed. Here again, some graphs. So here I think we have too much use of graphs. But what I really like is always at the bottom the comments. Imagine how long you will have needed to get this presentation done. From data cleaning to analysis to now the PowerPoint presentation, we did it while you were watching this video. And if you want to learn how to use Claude for PowerPoint, just check this video here. Thank you for watching, and remember, robots are coming, so stay human.